Let's see. Hello. Can I? Is there stuff down that way? Okay, I'm gonna walk down there. Terima kasih. Yay! Hey! Terima kasih. Thank you, terima kasih. They're really friendly. I like Indonesia. Really good people. So we're gonna try to walk over to that bridge over there. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're overlooking a bridge, and this one, it's like it's some pretty cool stuff. So we'll zoom in on some of these boats. So I don't know what all these things are out there. I'm gonna go to one that's closer. If you go in, you can zoom in, and there's flags on them. I don't know what the flags mean. Sometimes there's viewers that know. Okay, it'll zoom in a second. So I don't know, different flags. I don't know. But if you know what that means, there's a bridge way over there. So that bridge is, there it is right there. So zoom out a little bit. So, okay. Then we have all this other stuff around here too. There's some kind of cool artwork over here. Okay, so we're gonna walk over towards this bridge. And this bridge is, something like that. Zoom in on that. There you go. So for some reason this is, I can see why. It's a big tourist place. And so they dropped me off over at this called The View. And I don't know if I'm at the right spot, but there's people that definitely come over here. But it looks like they come over at the evening and they try to catch a view of the bridge. So I don't know, maybe I should be over on that other side. Let's see bridges over here. See the main road right there. Zoom in a little bit on here. See, a lot of people recommended coming to this bridge. When I say a lot of people, I mean online. You can see a lot just from all this different cigarette packs. It's like cigarette packs all over the place in here. These are the ones that didn't fly away, so that means that a lot of people just come over here and smoke cigarettes a lot. Yeah, cigarettes everywhere. Okay, anyways. It's like a little mini locks or something. Anyways, I might end up walking down that way a little bit. But yeah, there's supposed to be some waterfront. It's also starting to rain. It has been raining. It's raining really hard in the taxi here. Okay, we're gonna close this one down. So this is behind us. This is part 2. I don't know what this is, but there's like there's people in there just kind of hanging out, watching this water right there. I don't know what that is. But this is the other side of this right there. So we'll just kind of put these all together for the viewer. Got this really cool thing right there too. So yeah, this camera is better for just standing somewhere. I don't really want to walk with it. But I guess I will for a few minutes, and I'm going to try to find some shelter from this rain. It's pretty cool too. I might just film a little bit in here. Let's see. Hello. Can I? Is there stuff down that way? Okay, I'm going to walk down there. Terima kasih. Yay! Hey! Terima kasih. Click. Thank you, terima kasih. They're really friendly. I like Indonesia. Really good people. So we're gonna try to walk over to that bridge over there, and we're just gonna see if we can. Oh, that's kind of cool. So we're gonna walk over to that bridge and just see if we can see if there's a waterfront to walk. If not, then we'll just have to try to catch a way to get back out of here.